In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see who shared your Instagram reel. Begin by opening your Instagram app. You'll land on the home page. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find various icons. Click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, open the reel that you want to check for shares. In the top right corner of the reel, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a menu with different options. Ensure that you have professional mode enabled on your Instagram account to access detailed insights. Click on See Insights in the menu. You should see an option for insights. Click on it. And then, under the Reel Interaction section, you'll find the Shares option. This section will show you the number of people who have shared your reel. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.